Hey guys, welcome back to Ultimate Beauty. Today I did a Philadelphia Eagles inspired look because the Super Bowl is this weekend. I did a Patriots look as well. If you're interested in it, it's in the description box. I'm not really for or against either team, so it was fun playing with makeup, doing little looks for them. You can see at one point in the video I get a little choked up almost, just thinking about stuff. But I have to say, I feel so much better now at the end, now that I did something. I think that's a big deal. I mean, I would have loved to have stayed in bed all day today and just felt sorry for myself because, you start thinking about things, you're not where you want to be in life, you're not where you want to be, in your career, different things. But I think everybody feels that way at some point where they just want to give up and they don't want to do anything. But nobody wants to admit that they feel that way because we're all so worried about what others will think, or gotta make that perfect life, look like the perfect life on Instagram or Twitter or whatever. But it's okay to not be okay. It's okay to feel sad or down or depressed from time to time. It's not okay to stay there and let it take over your life, which I want to do. I just want to stay in bed. I just don't want to deal with anything. But the best thing you can do, for me, maybe it'll help you, is just get up. Go do something. Do something that you love. Call somebody that makes you feel better. Because I feel so much better now that I was productive. And in my opinion, this was productive. So just don't stay there. That's my advice to you. But anyway, this is a makeup channel, so let's make some stuff up. Foundation from Almay. Using a primer from ELF. Using the shade Mushroom by Urban Decay. On a Real Techniques Deluxe Crease brush. Put that all over the lid. Now taking a black eyeshadow. This one's from MAC. I'm going to trace feather-like designs on my eye. So we'll see what happens there. Just with an angled eyeliner brush. Liquid liner from Mott. A different liquid liner. This one is by, I can't say the name, I'm not gonna try. I just like to pre-apologize or apologize to any makeup company's name that I have or will say incorrectly. Have those days where you're just like you're failing at life and you hate everything, no matter what you do. It's just a mess. That's how it's going today. Like, I wanted to do this, but I didn't really want to do this. I don't know. Suppose we all have those days. I hope. Not really, I mean, I don't want anyone to feel bad, but I hope I'm not alone. Then, using this eyeshadow from Maybelline in the shade Never Fade Jade, going to put that along some of the feather lines. And then just taking the liquid liner along the lash line. In with our black shadow. So then using a silver eyeliner, take that on the lower waterline. Then using a black eyeliner, this one's from Smashbox, take that along the lower lash line. Mascara from Tarte. Then taking a pigment from Mac in the shade Vanilla on a Real Techniques accent brush. Under the eyes, as usual, using Maybelline. It's affordable and it works great. Pixi by Petra on this Luxie 522 tapered highlighter. Going to take some Vaseline, pop that on my lips. Then I'm going to take some of the Jade eyeshadow from Maybelline and put that over the Vaseline. I don't know if you've been hearing that while I'm talking, but that is the smoke detector in my house. I think the battery's dead because it keeps beeping on and off. It's kind of driving me crazy. Ever see that episode of Modern Family where Phil Dunphy's running around the house changing every smoke detector and then he loses his mind, starts beating him with a baseball bat? Kind of see where he was coming from now. And here we go. Our Eagles inspired look. Maybe not exactly how I planned it, but I think it's kind of cool. So thanks for watching, you guys. If you're interested, check out the Patriots look that I did as well. It's in the description box, and if I can figure out how to put a link to it at the end of this, I will. Here's hoping your team wins, whomever they may be. I will be watching, but I'm not too concerned about the outcome. I'm just looking forward to being with friends and family. Again, thanks for watching. Check out the other videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye!